So when I look back, my son has been studying here since nursery. So he has completed full, good, long 11 years. And the experience has been nothing but, grateful for having my son, getting an opportunity with you teachers, with the friends that he has made here over the period of his journey of life. It has been tremendously, positive and full of growth. What I would say is that my son has been able to really grow into a beautiful human being thanks to Samita. I think that is the biggest credit I'll give. And of course, what comes with being a beautiful human being is also the growth of academic proficiencies, being very, very responsible for the society. And also, I think that, Samita has really nurtured him into someone who I'm really proud of. Thank you, guys.
And the respect for all his friends, teachers, and the kind of relationship and bonding he has developed is really amazing. Over the 11 years, we have seen him grow. And no point of time we find any kind of issue with how his behavior has been and how he has been responsible throughout. So I think the growth has been really amazing. And it's really great to all the teachers and the principal and the staff here who has been very helpful, right from the amma for the bus driver, bus stop to all the way to all the school staff, right? So it has been really amazing.
So there are quite a few, because 11 years is a good journey to traverse. But if I can really think of one, and that's also owing to Samita's foundational principle of finding and focusing on the uniqueness of each child. So what I would say is that my child initially was not a very vocal or a social person, but Samita has really provided that platform. And one anecdote that I can think of is the responsibility he took, in terms of making one of the annual events very, very successful. This was essentially the Drishtikon event just last year I'm talking about. And I've had several such examples. And what I felt is that he was actually responsible jointly for the success of the program. There was nothing about his individual responsibility. And that is completely coming from what values has been inculcated over the last few years. So responsibility is one, and the confidence that I saw in each one of the children in his section. So everybody had a role to play, and that was so amazing and gratifying to even observe as an audience. And the quality of the presentations were mind-blowing. I mean, I was thinking that not only his section, even the junior classes, wherever we went, it really spoke of all the three attributes of ARC. But personally, I felt that for my son, the way he took the accountability and responsibility was amazing. Thank you.
Also, the kind of teamwork which you see when you look at these events and when you set up these cultural and sports events, the kind of teamwork which you promote, that is really amazing, because it's not that each person is looking for himself. It's they're helping others, they're bringing everybody together, and all the credit goes to the teachers who are bringing that kind of culture, saying that each individual's strength is picked up and nurtured, so nobody is left behind. That is what we like so much about Samita.
See, for us as parents, and I'm sure it applies to all parents, value system is the most important thing as part of any education. Of course, there are other things as well. And somewhere we have never been, more sure and full of conviction. Right from the very beginning, it's the same feeling that we have. Samita brings those foundational principles of creating a great value system. So my first message is, please, if you want your child to be a very happy and good human being, that is the place to go to. The second thing is really about the unique focus that you put. So another principle that Samita believes is that every child has a unique superpower, and that is enabled by the not so overcrowded sections. So I've always seen my friends talking about classes which are having many students. But in Samhita, I've always felt that the teachers have a relationship one-on-one with every student, and it is not focusing on just the people who are good at certain things and the people who are at other things. And when I recall my childhood, it was always like that. It was always the same few people having the same opportunities, but not in Samhita. So they have, I guess Samhita has cracked this. They have realized that every child comes with their own superpower, and they help the child find that superpower, and that's why your child is happy. And last but not the least, 11 years, not a single day my son has never wanted to go to school. I think that means a lot for the parents. So for all new parents who are considering a new school, Samhita will give you that nurturing environment. So go for it. Thank you.